guys, I'm Bhan. I'm a film and television actor. I'm a real stunt driver, and I'm a comedian. So please consider subscribing to the channel. We got a couple of my cars behind us. Here's one Beamer. I don't know if you can see it, and there's another one back there. There it is. There's one. There's two. We'll take a closer look at them. My videos aren't really quite right, because as a film and TV actor, I've never had to use the camera. So I'm using the camera. I joined the guild in 2000. Not once have I ever been to set and they said, okay, Ken, you're doing the camera. Just never. So that's the problem. I am willing to put it in. Here comes the cops. Maybe they'll say something to me. This is how, look at that, didn't even flinch. In addition to being a film and television actor, I'm also a bit of a car nut. I got my first BMW in a bet. It was going to the junkyard. It was a 78 530i, and the transmission didn't work, the windows didn't work, it had flat tires. But my father said, if you fix it, you can have it. So the next day after school, I took apart the gear shifter and the transmission. Long story short, the dealership wanted $500 to fix it. I ended up fixing it for $13.96. And at age 15, I started drifting that BMW. And eventually I became a film and TV actor, and now I also do stunt driving in the movie business. But I've been tinkering with them for quite a while. So let's just take a look at this stuff that I've done. I've done it all. I didn't pay anyone to do it. And I'm sharing it with you, so maybe it'll inspire you to love your car and evolve your car. And smash that subscribe button.